Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rume Content Queen. If you are a new subscriber, it is so nice to meet you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It shows you like my videos, and thank you for sticking with me if you are a returning subscriber. So I have a little story to share with you guys. I remember one time I started to build my email list, right? And the names of people I had and their emails was in picture format because I had to take a screenshot from the particular system I used so that I could export it to my email marketing system. Now, there were over 500 emails and there was no way I could start typing each name and each email one after the other. So I had to devise a means, which is what I want to show in this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn picture to text using Telegram. Telegram is so much more than just an app. It is a very useful tool that so many people do not even know about, and they are sleeping on Telegram. So stay tuned with me in this video as I show you how to convert picture to text using Telegram. So Telegram has an AI feature that helps you turn picture to text, right? So all you need to do is send the particular picture you want to a group. It doesn't work outside of a group. It has to be in a group. So you can create a group for yourself just for this purpose. Send the picture there, and then the next thing you do is to tap on the picture, and then you see a small square box just at the top right corner. Click on it and all the text in that picture will be highlighted. Now the next thing is to press your finger on the highlighted text, and it will be further highlighted with a blue color or blue highlight, and then you can now drag the whole blue line till it copies every single text that has been highlighted by the AI tool. Next, you'll see your options to copy, look up, translate, or share. Copy it, and that is just how to turn picture to text. Now that particular text you've copied, you can send it as a message and it will be exactly the way it was copied from the image. So some images have more organized text than others, and this does not mean that all the text in a particular image or picture will be copied. So you just want to try your best, but at least it makes work easier for you and it makes things faster. I've used this method before to copy or to get lots of email addresses that I had in a picture. So you can also try this out and let me know in the comments how it worked out for you. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this video, you share with your friends, and you subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, bye. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.